In this video, we will talk about types of organizational structure. Organization structure is defined as systematic arrangement of the people working for the organization in order to achieve predefined goals. It decides how employees will work with the help of each other. It is a framework for authority and responsibility associations between various positions. Organizational charts are used to show organization structures. It could be horizontal or vertical. The horizontal dimension shows various departments under the organization like finance, marketing, production, etc. The vertical dimension shows hierarchy of superiors and subordinates like manager, junior manager, officers, etc. Horizontal and vertical dimension together forms a structure of the organization. Organizational structure are divided in two types: formal organization structure and informal organization structure. Formal organizational structure are further divided into five terms: line organization, function organization, line and staff organization, project management organization, and matrix organization. Formal organization structure: the organization structure of jobs and positions with specified activities and relationships is known as formal organization structure. It is created by management to attain the objectives of the company. Line organization: it is the oldest and simplest pattern of organization, wherein the supervisor has outright of supervision over the subordinate. The flow of authority is from the top level executive to the person at the lowest level of the organization's echelon. Functional organization: as its name, functional organization structure is one in which the thorough task of managing and directing as per the functions or type of work involved. Line and staff organization: this type of organization structure is an improvement over the traditional line organization. In line and staff organization, primary and supportive activities are related to the line of supervision by appointing supervisor and a specialist who are linked to line authority. Project management organization: it is not an independent organization like the organization structure discussed before. Instead, it is a setup within an organization so as to accomplish a project or firm's objectives. It is led by project manager, who is responsible for project objectives. Matrix organization: it is the emerging structure of the organization, which is a combination of functional organization and project organization. In such an organization, the functional departments such as production, accounting, marketing, human resources, etc., constitute a vertical chain of command, while project division constitute horizontal line of authority. Informal organization structure: the relationship between the employees that relies on personal attitudes, prejudices, and interests rather than procedures. It is a system of personal and social connection whose creation is not needed by formal organization. The organization structure is a basic idea which depends on the activity, authority relationship in the company. It is designed in such a way to realize business objectives. So they are the types of organization structure. In the next video, we will talk about the principles in an organization. Thank you.